and welcome back to English Talk with Emma, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and natural. I am Emma.
And hello, everyone. I am Mark. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
Hi, Mark. It is great to see you. How are you feeling on this beautiful day?
Honestly, Emma, I am okay. Just okay. Not great.
Oh no, not great? Why? You look a little sleepy. Your eyes are red.
Yes, you are right. I am very sleepy. I am exhausted.
Exhausted? That is a big word. It means very, very tired. Why are you exhausted, Mark? Did you not sleep?
I did not sleep well. No. It has been a crazy week. A very busy week.
I am sorry to hear that. Before we talk about your busy week, let's say hello to our listeners.
Yes, good idea. Hello to everyone listening. In the car, at home, or maybe at work. We are happy you are here.
Yes, we are very happy. And please, if you like our podcast, remember to click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And subscribe to English Talk with Emma. Share this with your friends, your family, anyone who wants to learn English.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Mark, back to you. Why are you so tired? What happened?
Well, you know I live in the city center.
Yes, you have a nice apartment near the park.
I had a nice apartment. Past tense.
Had? Oh, did you move?
Yes, I am moving house. Actually, I am moving this week. Right now.
Oh, Mark, moving is terrible. It is so much work.
Oh, it is the worst. I have so many boxes, brown boxes, everywhere. In the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the living room.
I hate boxes. Packing is difficult. Did you pack everything?
Almost. But I have too many things. You know, I like books.
Yes, you love reading. You have hundreds of books.
Exactly. And books are heavy. Very, very heavy. I filled 10 boxes just with books.
10 boxes? Wow, your back must hurt.
It does. My back hurts, my arms hurt, and I had a small accident yesterday.
An accident? Are you okay?
I am okay, but my favorite lamp is not okay.
Oh no. The blue lamp? The one on your desk?
Yes, that one. I was putting it in a box, and crash. It fell on the floor.
Oh, Mark. That is sad. I liked that lamp.
Me too. It is broken now, into many small pieces. So, I was sad and tired and surrounded by boxes.
Moving is very stressful. Where are you moving to? Is it a new apartment?
Yes, it is a new place. It is a little bigger. And it has a balcony.
A balcony! That is wonderful. You can sit outside, you can drink your coffee in the morning air.
Yes, that is the dream. But right now, the dream is far away. Right now, it is just work, cleaning, packing, lifting.
Do you have help? Are your friends helping you?
Yes, my brother, David. You know David?
Yes, he is very strong.
Thankfully, yes. He is helping me with the furniture, the sofa, the bed, the heavy table. But it is still hard.
I understand. When is the big day? When does the truck come?
The truck comes on Saturday. Saturday morning. At 8 a.m.
8 a.m. That is early.
Very early. So, I must finish packing tonight. And tomorrow night.
Well, Mark, you can do it. Just think about the balcony. Think about the coffee on the balcony.
I am trying. I am trying to be positive. Coffee helps.
Coffee always helps. Speaking of happy things and positive things,
Yes? You look happy, Emma. You are smiling. You are glowing.
I am. I am very happy today. I have some exciting news.
Ooh, I like news. Tell me, is it about work?
No, no work talk. It is about my holiday, my vacation.
Vacation. You are going on vacation?
Yes, finally. I booked my tickets last night.
Wow, that is great. Where are you going? Somewhere cold? Somewhere hot?
Oh, definitely hot. I need the sun. I am going to Italy.
Italy. Whew, that is fantastic. Italy is beautiful.
I know. I am so excited. I am going for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. That is a long time. Lucky you. When are you going?
Next month, in July, the weather will be perfect. Hot, sunny, and bright.
What will you do there? Will you visit the cities? Rome? Florence?
A little bit, but mostly, I want to relax. I am going to the coast, to the beach.
Ah, the beach. Sea, sand, and sun.
Yes, picture this, Mark. I will wake up late. No alarm clock.
Sounds like heaven.
Then I will eat a big breakfast. Italian coffee, fresh fruit, maybe some pastries.
Delicious. I am hungry now.
Then I will walk to the beach. I will swim in the blue water. And I will read a book.
A book? Not a heavy box of books?
No, just one light book. A funny story. No stress.
That sounds amazing. I am jealous. I am here with my boxes, and you are going to Italy.
I can send you a postcard.
A postcard? That is nice. But maybe you can bring me something?
A souvenir? Of course. What do you want?
Hmm, Italian food is the best. Maybe some olive oil? Or some chocolate?
Okay, I will bring you some Italian chocolate. But only if you finish moving.
Deal. That is good motivation. Chocolate for the new apartment. So, are you going alone or with friends?
I am going with my sister, Sarah. You know Sarah.
Yes, Sarah is fun. She laughs a lot.
She does. We are going to have a girls' trip. Just relaxing, shopping, and eating pizza.
Pizza. Real Italian pizza. It is different, you know.
I know. It is thin and crispy. And the cheese. Mmm.
Stop it, Emma. I am eating a sandwich for lunch. A boring, cold sandwich.
Sorry, Mark, but you need to eat well too. For energy. For lifting boxes.
True. Tonight, after packing, I will order food. I cannot cook. My pots and pans are in a box.
Good idea. What will you order?
Maybe Thai food. Or maybe burgers. A big, juicy burger.
A burger sounds good. It gives you strength.
So, you need to prepare for your trip, too. Do you have everything?
Not really. I need to go shopping.
Shopping. Again?
Yes, I need a new swimsuit. My old one is, well, old. And I need a new hat. A big hat. To protect my face from the sun.
Good idea. Don't forget sunscreen, too.
Yes. I don't want to be red like a tomato.
A tomato-eating pizza in Italy.
Exactly. So, this weekend, while you are moving boxes, I will be at the mall.
We have very different weekends. My weekend is hard work. Your weekend is fun shopping.
I can help you a little, if you want.
Really? You would help me?
I can come on Sunday. After the big move, I can help you unpack the kitchen.
Oh, Emma, that would be wonderful. The kitchen is the hardest part. Plates, glasses, forks.
Yes, I will come over, I will bring some cookies, and we can unpack and listen to music.
You are a great friend, Emma. Thank you.
That is what friends are for. And maybe you can give me that broken lamp?
The broken lamp? Why? It is garbage.
Maybe I can fix it. I like fixing things.
You are welcome to try. If you fix it, you can keep it.
Okay, it is a challenge.
So, a busy week for both of us. But good things are coming. Wait, Emma. Before we go, I forgot to tell you something.
Oh? What is it? Did you remember another box?
No, no more boxes. But while I was cleaning the closet, I found something. Something very special.
Really? A treasure? Was it money? Gold?
I wish. No, it was not money. I found my old guitar.
Your guitar? Wow. Mark, I didn't know you played the guitar.
Yes, well, I played a long time ago. In high school, I was in a band, a rock band.
No way! A rock star! That is amazing. What was the band's name?
The name was The Loud Neighbors.
The Loud Neighbors? That is a funny name. Because you were loud?
Yes, we were very, very loud. My parents did not like it. But seeing the guitar again, it made me happy.
Is it broken? Like the lamp?
No, it is perfect, just a little dusty. Very dusty. I cleaned it. I played a few notes. Strum, strum.
And how did it sound?
It sounded okay. My fingers are slow now, but I think I will keep it.
You must keep it. Imagine sitting on your new balcony, playing the guitar.
Yes, that is a nice picture. Maybe I will learn a new song, an Italian song, for your trip.
Oh, that reminds me. I have a problem. A small problem.
What is it? Did you lose your passport?
No, I have my passport, but I don't speak Italian. Not one word.
Ah, that is a problem. You need to communicate. How will you order coffee?
I know cappuccino and espresso. That is easy. But talking to people, I am nervous.
Don't worry, English is international. But it is polite to learn a few words. Just the basics.
You are right. Can you help me? Do you know any Italian?
A little bit. I love Italian movies. Okay, repeat after me. Ciao.
Ciao. That means hello. And goodbye. Right?
Yes, correct. Easy. Now, try this. Quanto costa?
Quanto costa?
It means, how much is it? You need this for shopping, for your hat.
Ah, quanto costa. Good. I will write that down. Quanto costa?
And the most important word, gelato.
Gelato. Ice cream. Yes, I will say that every day. One gelato, please.
Un gelato, per favore. You are a natural.
Thank you, Mark. I feel better now. I will practice on the plane.
Speaking of Italy and food, I have a serious question for you. A very serious question.
Uh-oh. You look serious. What is it?
When you are in Italy, will you eat pizza?
Of course. Pizza is life. Why?
Do you like pineapple on your pizza?
Pineapple? Mark, no. That is terrible. Fruit does not go on pizza.
I knew it! I like pineapple pizza. It is sweet and salty. It is delicious.
Oh, Mark. No. In Italy, if you ask for pineapple, they might call the police.
The pizza police?
Yes, it is a crime against food. Only cheese, tomato, and basil. That is a real pizza.
Okay. You are a pizza purist. I understand. I will eat my pineapple pizza here, alone, in my new apartment.
Good. Keep your strange pizza away from me. But bring the guitar.
Deal. Pineapple pizza for me, Italian music for you.
This is why we are friends. We are different, but we have fun.
Exactly. Change is good. Sometimes it is hard, but it is good.
I agree. Listeners, do you like change?
That is a good question. Moving, traveling, starting a new job. It is all change.
We want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us.
Yes. Tell us, have you moved house recently? Was it hard?
Or tell us about your dream holiday. Do you like the beach, like me? Or the mountains?
Or maybe the city. I like visiting big cities. Museums, cafes.
Write your answer in English. Do not be shy. We love reading your stories.
Yes, practice your writing. It is the best way to learn.
Well, Mark, I think I need to go now.
Yes, me too. The boxes are waiting. They are calling my name. Mark, come pack us.
Good luck, Mark. Be careful with your back. Lift with your legs.
I will. Thank you, Emma. And have fun shopping for your hat. Get a colorful one. And remember, quanto costa?
Quanto costa? I remember. Maybe a yellow hat, like the sun.
Perfect.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to English Talk with Emma.
We hope you learned some new words today. Words like exhausted, balcony, souvenir, sunscreen, and gelato.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.
And click the bell icon so you know when we have a new episode.
We will see you next time. Have a wonderful week.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.